Hi, tonight it's Mexican night at my place and I'm proposing to prepare for you some chicken fajitas with fresh salsa. The list of ingredients can be found at the end of the segment. Let's begin with the fresh salsa. I have some tomato, fresh diced tomato. Some bell pepper, red, but you can use red, orange, whatever you find for some color. Little heat, we have jalapeno. And we have some Canadian Monterey Jack. Cheddar would work too. Next, we have an avocado. Just with your spoon like that. Scoop it up. Nice and easy. With a knife, I'm going to dice. About 2 tablespoons of lime juice, a little pinch of salt. This is going to add a little freshness to our dish. Next, my skillet is ready. I can begin. Butter. I'm going to add some onion. Cook these about 3 minutes. You want them to sweat a little bit and to start getting a little brown. My onions are perfect, nice golden color. I'm ready to throw in my chicken. I have boneless chicken breasts here, skin removed in little strips. Okay, we're adding some chili powder, some oregano. Next, I'm going to add some canned chipotle. These are smoked. If you have small children, just remove them. Next, some salt. I'm going to cook this 5 minutes. You want to make sure your chicken is no longer pink. Next, we have some milk, a little bit of flour. It's going to help thicken our chicken. Just going to mix. And we're going to cook this on a gentle simmer, just so we thicken the whole thing and it comes together beautifully. About 3 minutes. I'm ready to assemble these fajitas. I have some whole wheat tortillas here. We start with some salad. I'm using romaine, but if you have iceberg at home, that works just as fine. Just tear it up. That'll give it a little crunch. You always need a little bit of green in here. Little bit of filling. We've got our chicken. Just along the middle like I'm doing. To this, we're going to top with this nice fresh salsa. A little bit more. Really easy, just fold the bottom like that. Once over here, once over there, and there you have it. You have a lovely wrap. These are great ideas for lunches, great snacks anytime for supper. Quite nice to prepare at home. I urge you to try them this evening.